Hey, welcome back to another episode of Titanium Man Garage. And I'm working on this 2011 Polaris Sportsman 800. And I gotta laugh, I tell you. If you saw my last video about the 700, I got the same thing going on. So I think this thing is fuel injected, and actually wasn't too bad to take apart. You know, you unplug all your wires going to the fuel injection. I left the fuel rail in. Basically, you pop this clip up that pulls out, and you pull it off. There's a quick connect, and then one up by the gas tank. So when you unbolt the gas tank, pop this out, and then unplug the wire going to the fuel pump. And I tell you, glad to see Polaris did an upgrade. These covers on like the older Polaris 700s, they were plastic and they would warp. So it's nice to see that they actually made it out of metal. But pull the cover off, take everything apart. First thing I noticed, there's lines there. This engine's been rebuilt before. Now this thing was just banging away. The guy said he was trail riding with it, and he didn't notice it because he had a helmet on. So all of a sudden he pulled over, and all of a sudden he heard whap, 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 whap. So I bought it off of him. And check this out. Look at that. It's not even, I don't know what's going on there. So either he fried the cam, or whoever rebuilt this really messed it up bad, or the lifters are bad on this too. I'm gonna tear this apart and see what I find. This, I mean, the push rods are actually falling off of the rocker. So I think I'm gonna take that head off and see what's going on. So apparently it was just a really bad rebuild. I don't know, maybe the cam is shot on this one, who knows. All right, just thought I had to post this funny little clip. Crappy rebuild. I guess I'll be tearing this one down too. I had to take a break off that 700, get on this 800. I want to get something running by the end of the month. I think this will be the quicker fix, I think. All right. Hope you like my quick little video, and I hope you got a laugh out of it. Like always, till next time.